Mr. Squeaks' workshop has gotten very messy from all of his recent projects. It's time for him to organize his materials so that he knows where everything is. Luckily, Imani has volunteered to help out. Imani scans the room to locate the scattered items and represent the amount with a multiplication expression. But they will need our help to organize with arrays of multiplication. An array is a model that can be used to find the product or total of a multiplication problem. We use arrays to lay out multiplication problems in rows and columns, then count the number of marks to find the product. When drawing your own array, it's common to use X's, dots, or circles. Let's try this out with example 2 times 3. To start, look at the first factor. This tells us how many rows we need, so here we need 2 rows. Neatly mark the 2 rows accordingly. Then, look at the second factor, and neatly make 3 circles on each of the rows. Finally, count the total number of circles made to calculate the product. 2 times 3 equals 6. Let's use this knowledge to help Mr. Squeaks and Imani. First, Mr. Squeaks holds up a wrench. Imani scans the room to locate all the scattered wrenches. Imani comes back with the expression 3 times 6. Let's use an array to determine how many wrenches Mr. Squeaks has.
5 reasons my kids succeed at school thanks to this amazing learning game. 1. Engaging cartoon tutorials. 5-minute videos created by experienced educators to make learning fun and easy for your little ones, ensuring they understand topics step by step. 2. Fun exercises. Short, digestible challenges that keep kids engaged while addressing any gaps in their knowledge in an enjoyable way. 3. Sofahero adventure game. Kids can explore various topics, play mini-games to reinforce learning, and earn rewards and badges to keep them invested, all while the parents track their progress to make sure they're on point. 4. Principal worksheets. Offline resources to extend the Sofatutor experience and provide essential test preparation materials. 5. Interactivity and inclusivity. Dyslexia assistance and verbal explanations help improve comprehension and listening skills for all learners. Bonus reason, it comes with a 30-day free trial, so support your child's education with Sofatutor today.